Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about something super cool that's all around us, even though we may not always see it. It's called the Internet of Things, or IoT for short. Let's break it down and make it super simple. What is the Internet of Things, IoT? First, here's a simple definition. The Internet of Things, IoT, is a system where everyday objects are connected to the Internet and can talk to each other or to us. Now imagine if your fridge, TV, watch, or even your toothbrush could connect to the Internet, send messages, or follow commands. That's IoT. It's like giving superpowers to everyday things so they can be smart and helpful. A simple example. Let's say you're sleeping at night. Your smart alarm clock rings at 6 a.m. As soon as it rings, it sends a message to your smart coffee machine, and by the time you get to the kitchen, your hot chocolate is ready. That's the Internet of Things at work. Smart devices talking to each other to make your life easier. Real-life IoT devices you might know. Here are some examples you might have seen or used. Smartwatch tells time, counts your steps, checks your heartbeat. Smart TV connects to Wi-Fi, plays YouTube or Netflix. Smart light turns on or off using your phone. Smart doorbell shows you who's at the door, even if you're not home. Alexa or Google Home. You talk and they play music, tell jokes, or even control your lights. Pretty amazing, right? Why is IoT so useful? IoT helps in many ways. Saves time, like turning on your AC before you reach home. Saves energy, like smart lights that turn off when no one's in the room. Keeps you safe, like security cameras you can check from your phone. Tracks your health, like smart bands that watch your heart and sleep. Famous quote, "Anything that can be connected will be connected." Kevin Ashton, the man who first talked about IoT. And guess what? There are already billions of devices connected to the Internet around the world. How does it work? IoT needs three main things. Devices, like your watch, fridge, or light bulb. Sensors, tiny parts that collect information like temperature or motion. Internet connects everything so data can be shared. For example, a smart plant pot can sense when your plant is thirsty and send a message to your phone. Where is IoT used? IoT is not just in homes, it's everywhere. In hospitals, to track patients' health. In cars for GPS and automatic driving. In factories to check machines. In smart cities to manage traffic lights and street lights. The world is becoming smarter with IoT. Any problems with IoT? Yes, just like anything smart, IoT also needs to be safe. If someone hacks your smart home, they could control your devices. That's why security and privacy are super important in IoT. We need to use strong passwords, safe internet connections, and updated software. So today we learned IoT connects everyday things to the Internet. It makes life easier, smarter, and faster. From your smartwatch to smart cities, IoT is everywhere, but we must also be careful and use it wisely. And remember, you don't have to be a grown-up to start learning about smart tech. The future needs smart kids like you. If you like this video, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for our next one. More awesome tech stories coming your way.